Playing by the rules. Understanding fair play. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, to play by the rules. Understanding these phrases is crucial for mastering the nuances of English. So let's explore what it means to play by the rules, why it's important, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. To play by the rules is a phrase that means to act according to the established guidelines or standards. It's often used in situations where fairness and integrity are important, such as in games, professional settings, or personal relationships. When someone plays by the rules, they are respecting the agreed-upon boundaries and procedures to ensure a fair outcome for everyone involved. Playing by the rules is essential in maintaining trust and fairness in various aspects of life. In sports, it ensures that the competition is fair and that the best team wins without cheating. In work environments, following the company's rules or the law ensures a safe and respectful workplace for everyone. On a personal level, adhering to social norms and agreements helps maintain harmony in relationships. 1. In sports, an athlete who refuses to take performance-enhancing drugs is playing by the rules, valuing fairness over unfair advantage. 2. At work, an employee who reports their work hours accurately is playing by the rules, demonstrating honesty and integrity. 3. In academics, a student who completes their test without cheating is playing by the rules, showing respect for the educational process and their own personal growth. Expressing admiration. I really respect her for playing by the rules and succeeding on her own merits. Giving advice. If you want to earn your team's trust, you need to play by the rules. Discussing issues. The problem with this situation is that not everyone is playing by the rules, which is causing unfairness. Understanding the phrase, to play by the rules, and applying it in your daily life is about valuing fairness, integrity, and respect. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of adhering to guidelines and standards, whether they are set by society, your workplace, or a game. Remember, playing by the rules not only shows respect for others but also for yourself. Thank you for watching, and we hope this lesson helps you navigate English conversations with confidence and ease.